What's going on today, guys? It's your boy ChicagosMerk, and today I'm bringing you a little something different. Instead of a gaming video, I'm bringing you a video on how to improve your PC performance as far as speed and reducing your CPUs. So I have Windows 10, have an i7 computer, and if you type right here and you go into System Configuration right here up at the top, you're going to click on that. You're going to come over here and you're going to hit boot, and then you're going to go to options, advanced options, and then right here where it says number of processors, every PC is built with a certain amount of processors, and by default your PC is set to only use a certain amount of your processors, because the backup ones are meant for, like, if a processor dies, you can activate another processor. But if you click in here, more than likely you're going to be in this lower number, either 1, 2, or 3, or depending on how many processors you have. But you want to select your highest. So I have 8 processors on my PC, and after you do that, you're going to click OK, and when you hit OK, you're going to hit apply. And when you hit apply, you're going to hit OK, and it's going to tell you to restart your PC in order to save what you just did to your PC. And I guarantee you, when you do this, it will help your PC's performance as far as speed and processing information. Also, if you guys are new to this channel, if you could subscribe, drop a like, I would appreciate it. Also, official XO Boomin member links are in the description down below. Make sure you guys check them all out. I stream and upload content as much as possible. And once again, this is your boy ChicagosMerk, man, and I love you guys, and we out. Peace.